That's it. That is how you can password protect a page on Wix. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hey. Hey, you. Yes, you. Are you trying to hide something? Well, worry no more, because Wix has that for you. And specifically, I have a video prepared for you on how you can protect pages on Wix. Yes, it's kind of repetitive. So it's quite simple, and I won't take much of your time, but I'll try to take much of your time anyway by talking about the website that I have created over here. So this is a website that I created like half a decade ago, and it's like made up of stuff of things that I would like not to want to hear about, and some things that I would probably find controversial now because this isn't even the right page. So let's say that, for example, this one page here which shows this is a group of soldiers that I'm just not gonna show on screen. But let's say, I don't want people who are gonna be visiting my website to be seeing this, so I need to hide it. So how do you do it? It's pretty simple. You go here to pages and menu, and then you go to this page that we're currently at, which is this one. And I'm gonna go to settings, and then go to permissions, and then it will ask us who can access this page. Password holder. So we're gonna set up a password for this one. I'm gonna set the password to please never open this again. Please never open. That's a very good password. So I'm just gonna set it to that, and there we go. It already is set to please never open. Okay, again, yes, it's now with a password. As you can see here, there's a team that's going to be using it, then it will be locked. For example, this one here, this is the published version. As you can see, it looks nice. I love it. If we go here to all things historical, then we go to conflicts and wars, it will now ask us for a password, right? That's it. That is how you can password protect a page on Wix. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.